Well, this is our first camping for the season, and we went to Chain Lake in Alberta, Canada. And of course, it's a long weekend and bit of rain, but we still had a great time. We also managed to do some work on the trailer and getting ready for the rest of the season, and also installed our radio setup for the truck. However, the radio we're going to use is going to be actually more of a permanent setup in the trailer for cross-span operation. So we'll give you a quick little rundown as to what we did. Have a nice day. Well, we're at Chain Lake. I got the canopy down a bit in case it rains. It'll pour on the low side. Hello, pusses. Smile. You're on camera. You want to come out? Do you want to come out? Checking out the dogs, right? Okay. There we go. Snow caps there. Chain Lake fishermen or fisherwomen. We'll spend another day hill fishing, camping here for the weekend. There we go. And we were alone. These just recently showed up. There you go. Friday morning. There you go. Okay, first time camping on this spot. Our usual spot was taken already, but so far it's turning out to be okay. Very flat. Didn't have to do too much leveling. There you go. Oh, okay. Yeah. There you go. Deers. You can't even see the antenna. Okay, let's move in a little bit closer. So I got the ICOM. Oops, door locked. Okay, let me just redo that again. There we go. Just using my short one, not the high gain. This is the one I can use for most areas. I could put the high gain one if I wanted to. Okay, let's see what I got done. Okay, didn't want to put no hose, didn't want to put it between the door. It creates an impedance bump, and then you have poor quality signal. So I just got a little block that stops my sliding window from shutting completely, and just tape that with some tape. Keep the wind noise out. And I just gotta do the other side because I have a box behind me and the window it's movable. I can then tape the other side there, and this way I've ensure no water gets in. Temporary mounted. However, I have to slide this out for now. I need to get a 90 angle bracket there, so clear the floor. And this I rearrange the bracket a little bit, but we'll see how this works. Okay. I noticed if I was to transmit on one band, on the same band as the other one is programmed, it will say mute. If it's on a different band, then it's monitoring. So, which means you can't transmit on the same band. You can receive, but one or the other. Okay, this is the bracket I was talking about. So this way I don't put no strain on the coax connector. And I have spare brackets and even spare lines and even some ferrite beads. So unfortunately I couldn't do that while camping. Now that we're home, I managed to get the rest of the stuff. So just a little video so you know what I was referring to. And here's some emergency contact information. Always good to have. You never know when you need some help of some sort. There you go. There you go. Yeah, I think we got a good sight. Sunny. Oh. Hi. It was a clear sky, but now the rain clouds are coming in. Okay, we're at the north end of the lake. And there's the dam. There was a lot of fish to catch. However, quite a few of them were too small for us to keep. But we got our quota, and we're quite happy. It was a wonderful weekend. Anyways, if you enjoyed this, any comments, please do so. Subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. Have a nice day.